Okay everyone, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just gonna make this quick. I spent $26.53 on everything that you'll see. You're getting about 9 meals out of it, so you're spending roughly $3 a meal. The total macros and calorie count for the everything together is 2,728 calories, 339 grams of protein, 42 grams of carb, and 105 grams of fat. And if you break that down into 9 meals, you're getting about 300 calories a meal, 38 grams of protein, 5 grams of carb, and 12 grams of fat per meal. And I mean, you can go spend $26 at a restaurant and not get that much food, or get the nutritional, get the nutritional value out of the food that you will with this. The mushrooms, they have beta-glucans in it, which help prevent cancer, and they're loaded with nutrients and calcium. And so, asparagus is full of C, E, K, B6 vitamins, and bell peppers and yellow onions are full of vitamins as well. And having the red and white meat mixed together is a good combination to have. To have both the different types of lean and fattier meat mixed together is a great combination. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And the total meal together, preparing everything, probably took me 20 minutes. And then each baggie, which has about 3 meals in it, it takes like 12 minutes. It took me 12 minutes and 17 seconds to cook that. So it's 3 meals in 12 minutes, and it's full of nutrients. It's cost effective, and it'll help you get where you need to be. But remember guys, everyone's different, so you're gonna need to eat more or less depending on what kind of body type you have, and I'll maybe make a video over that sometime. But yeah, so kind of look into that, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't, and share guys. I just really appreciate the support. But
know about me.